Bad news. Alright, what's good, y'all? I'm back at it again with another video. Sheesh, that goes hard. Today, I just got like a little review video for y'all. No mods, no nothing, but I was pretty excited for this purchase. As you can tell, we got the Insta 360 X3. Feel me? Yeah, I didn't get the X4 because that was like pricey. That was very pricey, so we stuck with this one. And then the package literally just came in like, what, 5 minutes ago. And as you could tell, is the little tripod thing that goes on the back. I don't know what they call it, but oh, the mount, sorry, my bad. Is the mount. We're gonna be, you know, putting it together and getting y'all some little videos, you know. Sheesh, I've been wanting this for a while. I wanted to get the ghost mount one, but ghost mount is charging like a pretty penny, you know. So I just went with one on Amazon. I seen the reviews, it was pretty good, so we're gonna try it out. If it don't like end up being that good, I'll just probably go with the ghost mount one. I could get sponsored off the ghost mount one too, so if this doesn't go well, I'll just change to the ghost mount one. But as of right now, we're gonna be trying out this one. Sheesh, can't wait. All right, we're gonna put this together and I'll get back to y'all. All right, my bad, I forgot to show y'all the Insta 360 camera. As y'all can see, it's pretty small. Got a little bit of weight to it, but nothing too crazy. All right, so this is what I got so far. I was kind of stuck because I was like, what the hell, what goes where, you know. But this instructions little manual thing wasn't that good. Like, I'm telling you how to put everything together, but I figured it out just by looking at that top picture, you know. But yeah, that's what we got right now. I still gotta adjust it because you see how it's sitting. It's not even sitting like leveled or whatever, so I still gotta adjust everything, make sure everything's like good, and then like mount it onto the back windshield, and then we're gonna slap this thing on right here. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get y'all some little clips right now. Just let me figure everything out and then we'll get y'all the clips. Bruh, my car is filthy. I haven't washed it in a while, but I'm gonna just water it down and then slap on some Windex and just get like a little measurement or whatever, you know, where it's finna go. So, see right now. Alright, this is as good as it's gonna get, so whatever, I don't care. But I think I'm gonna have trouble because I have these stickers right here, bruh. I need a new 1320 sticker because this is already peeling. I need a new one. But yeah, we're gonna try to see how we gonna put this on, because like I said, those two stickers are right there in the way, so we're gonna see. All right, so don't mind the ice cream truck in the background, bruh. This is what I got so far. I am gonna probably have to move it up a bit, like the whole thing, just because this sticker is not letting the suction cups like grab onto the windshield. I already, as you can tell, I already tried and they just moved, look. So yeah, I'm gonna have to move it up, see how that looks. If not, I'm gonna probably just have to remove that whole Texas speed sticker, you know, all bad. But yeah, I'm gonna probably have to remove it just for the suction cups could grab onto the back windshield. So this is basically what it looks like, everything attached. The camera, that, I mean, it is kind of like wobbly, you know, but oh well, y'all gonna have to get wobbly clips, you know. But I don't know, if I don't end up liking it, I'll just probably go with the ghost mount, like I said. Supposedly, from what I heard, the ghost mount, this stick right here, is that bouncy. I don't know. I've never seen one in person, and I've never bought one, you know. So I don't know. If this one doesn't work out, we'll give the Ghost Mount one a try, like I said. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty dope. Jeez. Yeah, like I said, it shakes and bumps. Boom. No diddy, no diddy. I do need to get a case for this. I don't know, a little lens or whatever, because I don't want it falling and breaking, you know. But yeah, I tried to do the thing again. Oh yeah, you see, no, it didn't work. This top one is on there. Look, I'm pulling and that motherfucker is not coming off. But this one, I keep doing it, and yeah, it just doesn't, you know. I'll get it figured out right now. All right, so y'all can see now I moved it up a bit. I'm gonna see how the videos come out, because I don't know. I probably should have just moved it like above here, so it won't be that high. Because now, let me see, now I don't know how the videos are gonna come out, so I'll probably have to put it down like this, close to this, you know. I'm gonna do that, because I don't know, I'm not feeling this. This is good as it's gonna get. Don't mind the background noise once again, but yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna set up the camera and everything, so like I can see what's going on once I'm driving, and I'll get back to y'all with some clips probably, if not with some more information. I don't know, but yeah, it's holding up pretty good. Yep, just a little bouncy, you know. Y'all gonna talk about my car, bro, being dirty? Clean it, come clean it. I'll give you 20 bucks to come clean it. Sheesh, tell me that don't look hard right there, boy. Sheesh. Try to cover the sun for y'all. But as of right now, I might get the clips for y'all either tomorrow or later on today. But the camera is charging, and I need to charge my phone as well, because it's at 3%, and the camera, like, it turns on and automatically shuts off. So I'll get back to y'all with more information once these both devices charge. Bad news. As you can see, the mount is in here. The camera is in here no more. It fell off the car, bruh. $5. I would say 5,000. $500 down the drain. The I had went out to eat, and on the way back I decided to mount it on. I don't know if, but when I put it on, I like shook it very hard to make sure it didn't come off, because it was gonna be a long drive. So I did that, but I guess the freeway that we got on, if you're from LA, the freeway that's, I don't know, is that little curve to get the 110. It's like way up there when you're coming from Universal. But yeah, I got the 110, and right down that curve is like very bumpy. So it's like, don't, like it just kept shaking, you know? So I guess that loosened up the suction cups, and like later on down the road, it just fell. As you can see right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. That was from the camera. It just boom, and I like seen it fall and everything, but I couldn't, like I was in the middle lane, so I couldn't switch over to the last lane to get on the lane thing where cars stop when like something happens, you know. But yeah, I couldn't get on that lane, and if you know, the 110 is always packed, so I don't know. Yeah, I lost the camera, man. It lasted me, what, 3 days, and it's gone. So yeah, that mount thing wasn't a good mount. Well, I don't know, my back windshield was probably just dirty, you know, but I don't know, who knows. In my head, I'm saying the mount thing wasn't good, because it shouldn't matter, like, you know, if there's bumps or not. But yeah, it fell off, camera gone. It only covers damage. It doesn't cover like if I lose it. So yeah, if y'all see that camera on the 110, it still has a mount and everything. It might be in pieces, I don't know, but yeah. Well, that's the end of this video. If y'all enjoyed it, you know, if y'all got information out of this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuce.